Hey guys, what's going on? Today we got us a little pressure washing job, cleaning some stained concrete here. Nice little setup here in the back. As you can see, it's pretty soiled. This is one that you could look at, pretty much tell before we start. We're gonna need a post treatment on this. Probably gonna see spots where the surface cleaner won't blast it off, so we'll end up cleaning it all, rinsing it all away, and then hitting it with the post treatment here. There's actually 3 separate slabs. There goes another one back here, this back door, and then this small one over here. We'll see what we could do here. I think should clean up really good. Right now I got the water running through the pressure washer. Gonna set this thing up and get started. Alright guys, this one went really good, cleaned up good. This one still has some stain on it. That's stain that they used to stain it with here. Don't want to be putting any solvents on it that'll break that down, because then we'll take the color off the whole patio. But that one and this one didn't require any kind of post treatment, but this one did. Still, overall, cleaned up really good. And dry up and look really good. This is one that, man, I almost wish I was sealing it, because it would look good. Would look good and add a nice layer of protection back here, but Yeah, sometimes we could only do what the homeowner wants to do. But anyways, you guys need any kind of pressure washing, concrete sealing, carpet cleaning, upholstery cleaning, tile and grout cleaning, any of the services we offer, you could book us online on our website at windycitysteam.com. Thanks for watching, guys.